Hello, my name is Allison Montoya, and this is my research to practice project on parent involvement and healthy adolescence. Let's review the problem. Adolescence in itself is definitely an interesting stage of development, filled with many physical, cognitive, social, and emotional changes, making success for adolescents even more difficult. Research shows that several family and home factors are linked to individual achievement and success, including factors related to parent involvement in their children's education and lives, meaning at home and at school, further confirming the importance of parent involvement. Yet, despite all of the studies and awareness, parent involvement still remains challenging for schools and districts across the nation, even as they work to build strong partnerships between schools and families. So you may be wondering, well, what exactly is parent involvement and what does it entail? Well, the term parental involvement means the participation of parents in regular, two-way, meaningful communication involving student academic learning and other school activities, including that parents play an integral role in assisting their child's learning, that parents are encouraged to be actively involved in their child's education at school, and that parents are full partners in their child's education and are included as appropriate in decision-making and on advisory committees to assist in the education of their child and other children in their community. Studies have found that students with involved parents, no matter their income or background, are more likely to earn higher grades and test scores, and enroll in higher level programs, pass their classes, earn credits, and be promoted, attend school regularly, and graduate and go on to post-secondary education. Now, in a perfect world, I would really love to see the implementation of parenting classes given to high school students who plan on being parents, and even for those who do not plan on being parents. There's so much that goes unsaid about how our system doesn't allow for opportunities to learn. I mean, if you think about it, we have to have a license to drive. We have to have a license to teach. So why shouldn't there be a license to parent? But since I can't mandate something like that, here are some more appropriate steps to address the problem. The first being to develop age-appropriate, comprehensive parenting education and programs involving parents, schools, and communities, something that's built by parents for parents. Another is to provide a school environment that is safe and open for students to learn and for adults to learn and or volunteer or work at the school within their community that their child attends. Lastly, enhance interwoven opportunities to get involved and awareness activities that assist in the development of factors such as parenting classes, parent and child counseling where they go together, life skills, and opportunities to build on developmental assets. So much research has proven that supportive and caring school environments are critical to healthy adolescence. When students find their school environment to be supportive and caring, they're less likely to become involved in substance abuse, violence, and other problem behaviors. Much of the available research shows that supportive schools foster these positive outcomes by promoting students' sense of connectiveness. Now, this is where we're really talking about that cultural responsive teaching that we learned so much about in our undergraduate classes. But the proof is in the pudding. The more you care, the more you show you care, the more people feel like they're cared about, the more connection that's going to build and the more success you're going to see. Well, this concludes my research to practice project on parent involvement and healthy adolescence. I hope that you enjoyed my presentation. Here are the rest of the references I used to write my paper and create this portion of the project. Thank you so much for your time.